sober now for 3 whole months. It's one accomplishment that you helped me with. The one thing that always tore us apart is the one thing I won't touch again. In my sick way I wanna thank you for holding my head up late at night. While I was busy waging wars on myself, you were trying to stop the fight. You never doubted my warped opinions on things like suicidal hate. You made me compliment myself when it was way too hard to take. So I'll drive so far away that I never cross your mind, and do whatever it takes in your heart to leave me behind. Hate me today. Like a baby boy, I never was a man, till I saw your blue eyes cry, and I held your face in my hand, and then I fell down yelling, make it go away. Just make a smile come back and shine, just like it used to be. And she whispered, how can you do this to me? Hate me today, hate me tomorrow, hate me for all the things I didn't do for you. Hate me